Edi video na lang. Ajay ah.
Sino mo si Eugene?
Ito si Eugene oh.
Ito, behind the scene.
Oh, behind the scene.
Yo!
Oh. Ito nga pala si Burr.
Hi guys. Lalagay ko sa ulan. Behind the scene.
Si Israel.
Watch it.
At siya ang aming single lady.
What's up guys? I'm Joshua Lagran. This is my group Secret Campus.
Ang dami mong alam!
Back and roll supporting the Secret Campus and thank you.
Thanks for watching us. Bye.
Israel Bacani po. Israel Bacani. Tapos si Joshua Alegria.
Baby,
Sige.
baby, I'd wait for you, 'cause I know I wouldn't stop against you. Don't tell me I ran out of time. Tama yun.
As I close my eyes,
First episode na nag-away kayo.
see you in the front. Love you.
Ikaw. May bulbo pa sa face.
Abangan na lang yung next episode, ha? Tagal na yun, marami na rin yung nagawa natin eh.
Ikaw na. Hey girl.
Next episode na yun.
What can you say about our group?
Para mailagay na agad sa
Group of FC.
Benji, ligyan na natin.
Why?
I-edit na natin.
Why?
Ligyan na natin. Abangan.
Okay. Aldrin. What can you say about our taping today, okay?
Abangan nyo po. Ito po si
Marami pa
Tita.
akong gagawin.
Sa inyo naman.